welcome back to Opi Painting. In this video we'll be looking at applying shading and washes to the Orc Queen model. These videos that I'm doing are a series of breakdowns of techniques I use that are quick and effective. So before I begin, I gloss varnished after I'm completely happy with the airbrushing of the model with the mid-tones, highlights and shadows. I use Army Painter washes. These in my opinion are the best washes out there. I'll be using green tone for this particular model. Once the gloss varnish is touch dry, apply a generous amount of wash, though being mindful as to not to flood the model. I evenly distribute the wash until I feel that it's right, and then leave until it is touch dry. And once dry, you can see the bright highlights are toned down. So it's always a good idea to make your highlights a little bit that more extreme, because the shading process will break it down. So check out my website, opa.net. The link will be below in the description. I have airbrush reviews there as well as paintbrush reviews, and I will be reviewing more equipment that I use. So until next time folks, happy painting.